We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive overview of the Cinnamoroll Anime Neon Sign for wall decor, a product by the Jujiangqiang store. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This review will cover every aspect of the sign, including features, usability, performance, pros, cons, and overall impressions, based on real user feedback and expert analysis. The Cinnamoroll Anime Neon Sign is designed as a charming representation of the beloved Sanrio character, Cinnamoroll. With dimensions of 17.5 inches by 9.5 inches, it is large enough to stand out as a centerpiece in any room, but not so large as to overwhelm the space. The sign is constructed using the latest LED neon flex technology, which provides the appearance of classic neon while being safer, lighter, and more energy efficient. Unlike traditional glass neon signs, this LED sign remains cool to the touch, making it especially suitable for children's rooms or spaces where safety is a concern. The sign operates at a low 5V voltage, eliminating risks associated with breakage, mercury, or neon gas exposure. One of the most praised features is its versatility in installation. The sign arrives with pre-drilled holes, a hanging chain, screws, and anchors, giving users multiple options for display. Many users found it simple to hang using thumbtacks, plastic hooks, or even just leaning it against a wall on a desk. Its lightweight acrylic construction, at just 1.26 pounds, makes it easy to handle and move as needed. The included USB-powered cord allows the sign to be plugged into a computer, power bank, or wall outlet with a USB adapter. However, it is important to note that a USB wall adapter is not included, so users may need to provide their own if they intend to plug it directly into a standard outlet. The sign's brightness and color have received significant positive feedback. Users consistently mention that the light is vivid and cheerful, with the brightness that can be adjusted using the dimmable switch on the power cord. This feature is especially appreciated for bedrooms, as it allows the sign to function both as a decorative piece and as a nightlight. The ability to dim the light ensures it can be used comfortably at any time of day or night without being too harsh or distracting. The Cinnamoroll design features pink hearts on the cheeks, adding to the overall happy and inviting vibe of the sign. The color temperature and glow closely mimic traditional neon, but with the added benefits of modern LED technology. Durability and build quality are other areas where the product excels. Many reviewers comment on how sturdy and well-made the sign feels. The acrylic backing is thick enough to provide support without being bulky, and the LED strips are securely embedded, reducing the risk of damage from everyday handling. While all LED products have a finite lifespan, users generally agree that this sign is built to last, and no widespread issues with premature failure have been reported. The sign's construction also means there is no risk of shattering, which is a common concern with glass neon signs. In terms of aesthetics, the Cinnamoroll Anime Neon Sign is described as adorable, fun, and eye-catching. It appeals to a wide range of users, from children and teenagers to adult anime fans and collectors. The sign's size and brightness make it suitable for a variety of settings, including bedrooms, playrooms, dorm rooms, and even themed parties. Its playful design makes it a popular gift choice for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, anniversaries, and other special occasions. Many users have given the sign as a present to children, friends, or significant others, with universally positive reactions from recipients. The sign is also frequently mentioned as a highlight at Sanrio-themed parties, where its glow adds to the festive atmosphere. Usability is another strong point. The sign is easy to set up out of the box, requiring only minimal assembly. The pre-drilled holes and included hardware mean users do not need specialized tools or skills to install it. The lightweight design allows for flexible placement, whether on a wall, door, or tabletop. The USB-powered operation is convenient, especially for those who want to use portable power sources or integrate the sign into a computer setup. The dimmable feature is intuitive, with a simple switch that allows users to adjust the brightness to their liking. This makes the sign adaptable to different moods and lighting needs, from a bright accent piece to a gentle nightlight. Despite its many strengths, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. Some users noted that the product packaging could be improved, as the box sometimes arrives damaged. However, the sign itself is well protected inside the packaging and rarely suffers any harm during shipping. Another point to consider is the need for a USB wall adapter, which is not included in the box. While this is a minor inconvenience for most users, it is worth noting for those who plan to plug the sign into a standard wall outlet. Additionally, as with all LED products, the lights will eventually dim or fail over time, but this is a standard limitation and not unique to this product. Value for money is consistently rated as high. The sign's size, quality, and features are seen as excellent for the price point. Users appreciate the attention to detail in the design, the quality of the materials, and the overall presentation. The sign is ranked highly in its category, holding a customer rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 300 reviews and placing in the top 50 for lighted and neon signs on major retail platforms. Its popularity reflects a strong track record of customer satisfaction. In summary, the Cinnamoroll Anime Neon Sign for wall decor by Zhujiangqiang is a standout product in the realm of themed LED lighting. It combines the nostalgic appeal of neon with the safety, efficiency, and durability of modern LED technology. Its design is both charming and practical, making it suitable for a wide range of users and settings. The sign's ease of installation, adjustable brightness, and cheerful glow make it a favorite among children, teens, and adult fans alike. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as packaging and the inclusion of a USB adapter, these do not detract from the overall quality and appeal of the product. If you are looking for a unique and delightful way to personalize your space or searching for the perfect gift for an anime or Sanrio fan, the Cinnamoroll Anime Neon Sign is an excellent choice. Its combination of style, safety, and functionality sets it apart from other decorative lights on the market. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you own this sign, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is invaluable to the community and helps ensure everyone finds the perfect product for their needs.